Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a draw glove. First, understand that a draw glove is a vital piece of archery equipment. It protects your fingers from the bowstring's friction and pressure, especially with heavier bows. This protection helps prevent blisters, numbness, and nerve damage, ensuring a more comfortable and safer shooting experience. It also contributes to a smoother, more consistent string release. When selecting a draw glove, consider the various types and materials available. Three-finger gloves are a popular choice, offering protection where it's most needed while maintaining flexibility. Full gloves provide comprehensive coverage and warmth, which is great for cooler conditions. You'll find gloves made from durable leather, known for its natural feel, or synthetic fabrics, which are often waterproof and easy to maintain. A quality draw glove incorporates several key features for optimal performance. Reinforced fingertips are crucial, adding extra layers of material where the bowstring makes contact, protecting your digits. An adjustable wrist strap ensures the glove stays snugly in place, preventing slippage and enhancing comfort. Additionally, the glove should offer a balance of protection and tactile feedback, allowing you to maintain a good feel for the bowstring. Proper sizing is vital for comfort and performance. Measure your hand from the base of your palm to the tip of your middle finger, and also across the widest part of your palm. The glove should fit snugly without restricting movement. To care for your glove, hand wash it with mild soap and cool water, then air dry away from direct heat. For leather gloves, periodically apply a leather conditioner to keep them supple and durable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.